In this demonstration, we're going to be looking further at the Microsoft Learning Tools inside OneNote. This is a typical page from my class notebook for Year 11 Visual Art, and there's a fair bit of text on this page with images around it as well. What I'm going to do is to open this page in Learning Tools, and we'll go through some of the immersive reader options to change the appearance of the page. This is a good page because, as I've mentioned already, it has images, and in addition to that, it also has highlighted text. So let's get started. We're in the page and we go to Learning Tools and Immersive Reader. What the Immersive Reader does is load the page without any highlighting. You'll see that it has kept the headings. However, a lot of the other information has been formatted in a very simple and easy to read manner. To the right hand side, we have the text appearance here. In a previous video, we looked at ways to turn on and off visibility for nouns, verbs and adjectives, so we won't cover that here. We are going to instead focus mainly on text size, spacing, fonts and themes. First of all, let's increase the text size. This is a good way for you to draw attention to one small section of your pages in the classroom. So by simply changing the text size up and down, we can limit how much text appears on the screen. The benefits of this is it helps students stay focused on just the text that they are reading and to not race ahead and get distracted by other sections of the text which might appear below. You've also got the option to adjust the spacing, and there might be students that benefit from having more spacing between the letters and the sentences and the words themselves. You've got a very narrow range of fonts to choose from. At the moment, this application only supports 2. There is research which suggests that we read and process serif text, that's this kind of text, much faster than sans serif text. So you might reflect on that if you're giving your students long passages of text to read. By default, we're always working in Calibri since it's the default font for OneNote. However, with research suggesting that we can process and read this type of text more quickly, that may suggest situations where you could change to this font to improve the readability of text. Finally, at the bottom, we have 6 different page layout themes. By default, we've got the black text on the white background. By simply reversing the text, as you can see here, our eyes see a very different presentation of the same text. There is some research, however it is very limited, regarding the use of different coloured backgrounds assisting students with dyslexia. It may be useful to simply toggle through these different kinds of text and ask students to choose a coloured background that suits their preferred reading styles. So I hope you found this a useful demonstration of these simple text appearance options in the Immersive Reader. To return to the normal use of OneNote, hit the X button and the OneNote page will appear underneath.